Some of you, if we tell you say we are broke, you think say just broke say we no go fit chop food. E no be food brokenness we dey talk about o. We dey talk about brokenness like $30 billion. That be the brokenness we dey talk say we are broke. But what to chop and what to eat, there's kind of oh. And yet, if we say we are broke, bro, we are talking about 30 billion brokenness oh. Awopa.
So just as we all thought, the pressure was over with the Yahoo Yahoo case after the FBI stormed Accra and arrested, some couple of them, people were like, okay, bro, yeah, at long last year, Charlie, we are free from this people. And out of nowhere, out of the blues, bro, the rich people, the Makidis, they put pressure with their prom mind, bro. They they put pressure on top of one ahead. The Asante Hene, the son of the Asante Hene is putting pressure for one ahead. The son of Nana Kwame Bediako, aka Cheddar. These two boys, and like the entirety that the entire show, like the entire show was putting pressure on some of like okay, be there. But Charlie, the children, they're like Charlie, my lifestyle, the aura and everything was very beautiful, bro. The aura and everything was very beautiful. Asante Hene had to travel all the way from Kumasi to Accra to celebrate with the son. He had to travel all the way from Kumasi to Accra to celebrate with the son. Do you know what it takes for the Asante Hene to leave, Kumasi to any other place? May you never be poor. Bro, yeah. Like to be frank, I really loved the aura. I loved everything, everything about the show. This is a like bro. Have you seen the cast? The cast, the children, I mean, the boys, the students were coming with plus them are dates. Plus them are dates, bro. Like I really love, like bro. I'm really happy for this people. On social media, you go under the comment section of people and they are saying a whole lot of things and all. But Charlie, they use poverty mindset. Like you people get poverty mindsets. You people get poverty mindset, bro. Look at how intelligent these children are. Even with their hair, like even after braiding their hair and leaving their hair bushy hair and everything, look at how intelligent they are. But this is a situation where you will come to one LA primary school and everything where they will be telling us that okay, you need to shave your hair, all those kind of stuff. Yes, still these people are still not intelligent like the children attending GIS and the DIS and all those kind of stuff, all these international schools. And have you seen Cheddar's son, Lincoln? The boy is called Lincoln. The boy is called Lincoln. Yeah, he braided his hair, bro. Have you seen the hair? And he's a fresh boy too, bro. Charlie, the boy be fresh boy. Yeah, and like Charlie, and these people are already born on top of the hill. They are already born on top of the hill, so it no go take long time for them to grow, bro. They are already born on top of the hill. Unlike some of the other people who are born under the hill, even under the earth. They are now about to dig, they are now about to find their way onto the the surface of the land. Oh. They are now about they are under finding their ways to even appear onto the surface of the land. These children are already born on top of the hill. They are already born on top of the hill, bro. Have you seen, the aura, the Brandon? And he was standing on top of the what's the name again? He was standing on top of the he was standing on top of the number one Oxford Streets. Number one Oxford Streets. Telling you that be what a property. He was standing on top of the number one Oxford Streets. That be for him poppy, bro. That be for him poppy. I don't tap into your blessings. I don't tap into their blessings, bro. I need my blessing. I need, my blessing to be bigger than this one. We need our blessings to be bigger than, these people. I don't believe in tapping into people's blessing. Our blessing need to be bigger. May our children not celebrate our day. May our children not celebrate our day. To all my subscribers, may I hear you say, may our children celebrate prom night with Bugatti. They should celebrate prom night with Aston Martins. Subscribe to my channel.